We're proud to carry Milwaukee tools and batteries here at Sprinkler Warehouse, and today I want to help you figure out which battery platform and battery size is the right fit for you. Dwayne Smith here, your Sprinkler Warehouse product specialist. Let's talk about Milwaukee batteries. Milwaukee's cordless lineup is built around two platforms, the M12 and the M18. The M12 system is designed around a 12-volt battery. These tools are compact, lightweight, and built for precision. If you're doing tight space work, M12 tools are more than up to the task, and they're lighter weight and easier on your hands. Then there's the M18 system, Milwaukee's 18-volt lineup. This is where you'll find the heavier duty tools. When the job you do demands real power and longer runtime, M18 is the platform for you. Every M12 battery works with every M12 tool, and the same goes for M18. Every M18 battery works with every M18 tool. And there are tons of tools for each platform, so you're building a system that grows with you. Now let's break down battery size. Milwaukee batteries come in different capacities measured in amp hours. The amp hour is right in the name and right on the battery. The higher the amp hours, the longer the tool can run before you need to recharge. Here's a simple breakdown. 1.5 to 2 amp hour batteries. These are compact and lightweight, great for hand tools like drills, impact drivers, or multi-tools. Less fatigue, quicker charges, and easier to carry. 3 to 5 amp hour batteries. These are your versatile all-around options, solid runtime, solid power, and still relatively lightweight, perfect for longer tasks without overloading your tool belt. 6 amp hours and up, including the XC and high output batteries. These are built for endurance and heavy draw tools, great for running pumps, cutting through thick material, or operating high torque equipment. More power, more runtime, but also more weight. So what's up with XC and high output batteries? XC stands for extended capacity. These batteries typically start at 3 amp hours and offer longer runtime than compact versions. High output refers to Milwaukee's upgraded battery cell technology. These batteries run cooler, charge faster, and deliver more consistent power, especially under heavy loads. And yes, you can have both. A battery labeled high output XC gives you the best of both worlds. The runtime of an extended capacity pack with the boosted performance of high output technology. So if you're using high demand tools, high output batteries help you work longer, cooler, and more efficiently without bogging down under pressure. Here's the bottom line. If you're focused on mobility, compact tools, and service work, the M12 system is perfect. If your jobs require muscle, runtime, and big tools, go with the M18 system. Need both? Many pros carry a mix of lightweight M12 tools for tight spaces and M18 tools when it's time to take on the bigger task. Whatever system you use, Sprinkler Warehouse has the Milwaukee batteries and chargers to keep your day moving. Check out our full lineup at sprinklerwarehouse.com and power your next project with nothing but heavy-duty Milwaukee tools.